So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full review of a tool called CastAI. I'm going to cover exactly what it does, what you get, how much it costs, and whether it's actually worth it. So just stick around till the end and let's get into it. So let me just quickly tell you what CastAI actually is in simple words. It's an AI tool that basically does two things, and both of them are pretty cool. The first thing it does is it takes any video that already exists and completely transforms it. So you can change the face of the person in the video, change their outfit, change their whole look and clone their voice. And you can even change what they are saying after the video is already recorded. And the best part is the lips automatically match whatever changes you make. So you are literally getting a brand new video without having to film anything again. The second thing CastAI does is it lets you put that video on your website as a live talking presenter. So think about it this way. Someone lands on your website and instead of just seeing text and images, there is an actual person talking to them, welcoming them, telling them about your offer. And there is even a button right there that takes them straight to the buy page. And this is happening automatically around the clock without you doing anything.
You've seen spokesperson overlays, you've seen talking heads, but you've never seen anything like this. Transform a talking head video into an engaging digital spokesperson and deploy it onto your website in minutes. Join us for CastAI's live debut this Sunday. You won't believe what's possible. You've seen spokesperson overlay.
That's basically what CastAI is all about. Now, let me just walk you through what this tool can actually do, because there is quite a bit packed in here. So the first thing is you can take any video and completely change how the person in it looks. You can swap their face, change their outfit, change their whole style, basically make them look like a totally different person. And on top of that, you can also clone any voice, so even the way they sound can be changed. Another really cool thing is that you can go back into a video that's already been recorded and actually change what the person is saying. And when you do that, the lips automatically sync up to match the new words. So it looks completely natural, like it was always recorded that way. Now, if you want to reach people in different countries, CastAI can translate your video into over 300 languages and the lip movements will match the new language too. So one video can literally work for audiences all over the world. And then the last big thing is the deployment feature. Once your video is ready, you can put it on any website as a talking presenter. It can pop up as an overlay, sit right inside the page, or have clickable buttons that take your visitors straight to your offer. And once it's live, it just keeps running on its own, day and night, without you touching anything. Alright, so let's talk about the price and what you actually get when you buy CastAI. So the main product comes in two versions. The first one is the core version and it's around $22. This one gives you everything related to transforming videos. So the face swapping, the outfit changes, the voice cloning, the speech editing, all of that is included here. The second one is the full version and that's around $24. So it's just a couple of dollars more, but with this one, you also get the website deployment feature on top of everything in code. That means you can actually put your talking presenter live on your website. You also get 15 ready-made spoken person options to choose from, and you can deploy on unlimited websites. And both versions, whether you go core or full, come with 720 pixel video rendering and a commercial license. So that means you can use these for your clients as well and actually charge them for it, which is a really nice bonus considering how low the price is. Now, on top of the main product, there are also few upgrades available if you want to get even more out of CastAI. Let me go through them one by one so you know exactly what each one is about. The first upgrade is called CastAI Pro and it's $67 one-time payment. This one bumps your video quality up to full 1080p HD and it also unlocks the ability to translate your videos into over 300 languages with lip sync that actually matches. So if you want your videos to look really sharp and you want to reach people in different countries, this is the upgrade for that. It also gives you 2400 bonus credits on top of everything. The second upgrade is Spokesperson Pro, and this one is also $67 one time. With this, you get access to over 100 different spoken person faces to choose from. But the really big thing here is that you can also upload your own face or even your client's face and turn that into a digital spoken person. So instead of using someone else's face, you can have yourself in the video without actually filming anything. And if you bought the core version of the front end, this upgrade also gives you the full website deployment feature, plus another 2400 bonus credits. The third upgrade is the credit booster at $77 one-time payment. This gives you 3000 extra credits, and these credits never expire. So if you know you are going to be using this tool a lot, this is basically the best deal to stock up on credits, and the price per credit here is the lowest it's going to be during the whole launch. There is also a yearly option called Credit Max at $147 per year. With this one, you get 6000 fresh credits added to your account every single year. So if you're someone who plans to use CastAI regularly and on a bigger scale, this one keeps you topped up without having to worry about running out. And then finally, if you just want to grab everything at once without going through each upgrade one by one, there is the Fast Track bundle. This includes all 3 upgrades together and you get a total of 10,000 credits. It's regularly $297, but it's available at a discount price of $197. And you can unlock the whole platform in just one click. Now, before I wrap up, I also want to mention the bonuses. When you grab CastAI through my link down in the description, you are also going to get access to my 21 exclusive bonuses that I have put together on my bonus page. These are not just random bonuses, they were specifically picked to go along with tools like this and help you actually get results with them. So make sure you don't skip those because they add a lot of extra value on top of what you are already getting with CastAI. Alright guys, so that's pretty much everything you need to know about CastAI. If this sounds like something that could work for you, just click the link down in the description, grab it through my link, and don't forget to also check out the bonus page to claim your 21 free bonuses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss my next review. I'll see you in the next one.